Got a P0430 code showing up on your dashboard? This means your car detected that the catalytic converter on bank 2 is not cleaning exhaust gases the way it should. Don't rush to the mechanic just yet. This code has several fixable causes that cost very little, and most drivers solve it without professional help. Replace or clean the catalytic. The catalytic converter sits in the exhaust system between the engine and the muffler. Its job is to convert harmful gases like hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides, and carbon monoxide into safer compounds like water vapor and carbon dioxide. When the internal ceramic honeycomb structure breaks down or clogs with carbon deposits, the converter loses efficiency and the PCM detects it. The downstream oxygen sensor stops seeing a difference between raw and treated exhaust, and the code gets stored. You may hear a rattling sound from under the vehicle, especially on cold starts. An aftermarket replacement converter typically costs between $30 and $97 depending on your vehicle. Confirm converter failure. With the engine off, tap the converter firmly with a rubber mallet and listen for loose material rattling inside. If you hear debris shifting, the internal structure has collapsed and replacement is required. You can also run the engine and compare the temperature of the converter inlet versus outlet using an infrared thermometer. A working converter should show a temperature rise from inlet to outlet. No temperature rise confirms the converter is not functioning. Replace O2 sensor on bank 2. The downstream oxygen sensor sits after the catalytic converter on bank 2. Its job is to monitor the oxygen content in exhaust gases exiting the converter and confirm that the catalyst is doing its job. When this sensor ages, corrodes, or fails, it sends false readings to the PCM. The computer then logs P0430, even when the converter itself is perfectly healthy. You will not notice drivability changes in most cases, but the check engine light stays on. A replacement downstream oxygen sensor costs between $8 and $35 at most auto parts stores. Check downstream sensor live data. Plug in your OBD2 scanner and open the live data stream for the bank 2 downstream oxygen sensor. A healthy downstream sensor should display a flat, relatively stable voltage signal since its only job is to confirm clean exhaust. If it is switching rapidly between high and low voltage the same way the upstream sensor does, the sensor has failed and needs replacement. Clear the code after replacement and monitor for 10 drive cycles before drawing conclusions. Locate and seal exhaust leaks. Any crack or loose connection in the exhaust pipe between the engine and the bank 2 downstream sensor allows outside air to enter the exhaust stream. The extra oxygen tricks the sensor into reading falsely lean, and the PCM interprets this as the converter not working. A ticking or hissing sound near the rear exhaust manifold, especially when the engine is cold, is the key symptom. Replacing an exhaust flange gasket costs between $4 and $15 and is straightforward with basic hand tools. Test for exhaust leaks. Run the engine at idle and hold a lit stick of incense near all exhaust joints and gaskets on the bank 2 side. Any disruption in the smoke trail pointing toward the exhaust confirms air is escaping at that spot. Pay close attention to the area directly upstream of the downstream O2 sensor, since even a pinhole crack in that zone is enough to set P0430 repeatedly. Address engine misfires. When a cylinder misfires, it sends unburned raw fuel into the exhaust stream. That raw fuel ignites inside the catalytic converter and creates heat far beyond what the converter was designed to handle. Even a brief period of misfiring can permanently melt or crack the internal substrate. 300 series misfire codes, alongside P0430, are a clear sign the converter was damaged by misfires. Always diagnose and fix the misfire before replacing the converter, or the new unit will fail within miles. Scan for misfire codes. Before any other repair, connect your OBD2 scanner and pull all stored fault codes before touching any parts. If any P0300, P0301, P0302, or similar misfire codes appear alongside P0430, stop and fix the misfire source first. A misfiring engine will destroy a new catalytic converter faster than the original failed. Replacing the converter without addressing the misfire is a guaranteed repeat repair within weeks. Replace worn spark plugs. Spark plugs ignite the air and fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber on every power stroke. When plugs wear out, combustion becomes incomplete and partially burned fuel exits through the exhaust valves. That excess fuel overheats the catalytic converter steadily over thousands of miles until the substrate fails. A full set of spark plugs costs between $8 and $30, depending on your engine type and plug style. This is one of the least expensive preventative repairs on this list and should always be done before replacing the converter. Inspect and replace plugs. Remove one spark plug from a bank 2 cylinder and examine the tip. A worn or rounded electrode, heavy carbon deposits, or a cracked insulator all indicate the plug is overdue for replacement. If one plug is worn, all plugs on bank 2 are in similar condition. Replace the full set, clear the code, and drive at least 5 full warm-up cycles before rechecking whether P0430 returns. Diagnose a rich fuel condition. A rich running engine burns more fuel than the available air can properly combust. The excess unburned fuel that reaches the catalytic converter overwhelms its chemical capacity and causes accelerated substrate failure. Causes of a rich condition include leaking fuel injectors, a failing mass airflow sensor, a stuck open fuel pressure regulator, or a clogged air filter. You may notice black exhaust smoke, noticeably reduced fuel economy, or a strong raw fuel smell from the tailpipe. Check for P01172 stored alongside P0430. Look for P01172 or P0175 codes stored in the same scan. If present, the rich condition caused the converter failure and will continue destroying any new converter you install. Diagnose the cause of the rich mixture first by inspecting the air filter, cleaning or replacing the MAF sensor, and checking for leaking injectors using live fuel trim data on your scanner. A healthy engine should show short-term fuel trims within plus or minus 5%. Inspect the wiring and connector. The wiring harness and connector leading to the bank 2 downstream oxygen sensor can corrode, crack, or develop broken terminals over time, especially on high-mileage vehicles. A damaged connection causes incorrect voltage signals to reach the PCM, logging P0430 even when the converter and sensor are both physically healthy. Look for green corrosion on the connector pins, cracked insulation on the wiring, or a loose connector that pulls away with light pressure. A replacement pigtail connector costs just a few dollars at the parts counter. Wiggle test the sensor connector. With the engine running and your scanner showing live oxygen sensor data, firmly wiggle the wiring connector at the bank 2 downstream sensor while watching the readings on screen. Any sudden change in sensor voltage while you move the connector confirms an intermittent wiring fault causing the code. Repair or replace the connector and repeat the test to confirm the connection is solid before clearing codes.